Good morning, students. Welcome back in this class. Today we will discuss about the exercise 15.4, which is based on area of the triangle. Under the previous session, we have completed the exercise 15.3, which is based on area and perimeter of rectangle. So now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the some term which is related to the triangle. As you know that area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So here is the exercise 15.4 is all question which is based on the area of triangle. So now let us start. First question of exercise 15.4 is here. The question is given. The area of right triangle is 5400 meter square. One of its legs measures 120 meter. Find the measure of its hypotenuse. So it is clear that triangle is a right triangle, and its area is given 5400. Now suppose that a right triangle is here, angle ABC, right triangle ABC at the angle B is right angle, and AC is hypotenuse and BC is base and AB is height. So it is clear that, and its legs measure 120 meter. So here is the BC is 120 meter and area is given 5400 meter square. Now solution. Area of triangle is given. Area of triangle is 5400 meter square, and one side of the right triangle is given 120 meter. Then side of triangle is given here 120 meter, and we know that here area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. So apply the formula of area of triangle is here. Then 1 by 2 base is here BC, and height is given here AB equal to 5400 meter square. Now we can write here on the place of BC is 120 meter, then 120 into AB equal to 5400, then 60, and 16 to AB equal to 5400 meter, then AB equal to 5400 by 60. Then 540 divided by 6, 690 here, 540, then 90 meter. Then value of AB is here 90 meter. Then triangle ABC, and AC is the hypotenuse and longest side of the triangle, and because angle is 90 degree right angle, then AC is just opposite to the right angle, then AC is called hypotenuse. And here is the apply the Pythagoras theorem, and as you know that Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, and AB is your perpendicular height and BC is base. Then AC square equal to AB is 90 meter, 90 square plus BC is 120 square. Then AC square equal to 5100 plus 144, then 8100 plus 14400, then AC square equal to that is 0 and 4 plus 1 5 and 8 plus 4 12 plus 2. Then AC equal to root 2250. Then AC equal to 150 meter. So it is clear that here is the hypotenuse. AC is 150 meter. Now the next question of exercise 15.3 is here. Question number 3. Question number 3 is here. Question number 3 on the page number 191. ABC is an isosceles right triangle. ABC is an isosceles ABC is an isosceles right triangle. Right triangle at A. Right angle at A. At A. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Equal to 20 centimeter. Equal to 20 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle. So here is the ABC is an isosceles right triangle. Right angle at A. Then triangle is here. Right angle at A. And AB equal to AC is given that is the 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. So it is clear that right angle triangle ABC and right angle at A, Then we know that here area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Then AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Then area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Side of side. Now the solution. Side AC equal to 20 centimeter and AB equal to here AB equal to 20 centimeter and we know that here the area of triangle is area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Then area of triangle 1 by 2 and the base is here AC and height is here AB. Then 1 by 2 AC, the value of AC is here 20 and AB is here 20. Then 10, that is 200 centimeter. So according to this question, area of triangle is here 200 centimeter. Now the next question number 4. Question number 4. An isosceles right triangle has two equal sides of length. An isosceles triangle. An isosceles right triangle. An isosceles right triangle. Right triangle. An isosceles right triangle has two equal sides. Two equal sides. Two equal sides of length 5 centimeter. Sides of length 5 centimeter. What is its area? What is its area? So here is the an isosceles right triangle has two equal sides of length 5 centimeter. What is its area? So now suppose that triangle ABC and we know that here isosceles triangle, a triangle having the two sides are equal, they are said to be the right isosceles triangle. And in regarding to this question, an isosceles right triangle is given here. So now suppose the triangle ABC, this is the right angle at B, and according to this question, here isosceles triangle, then AB equal to AC. Then AB equal to AC. Now the solution is here. side of BC, length of side BC is given here, that is the 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and the length of the side AB is here, length of side AB equal to 5 centimeter, and what is its area? Then we know that here area of isosceles triangle, then area of isosceles triangle equal to 1 by 2, base is here BC and height is given here AB, then 1 by 2, BC here 5 centimeter and AB is 5, then 25 by 2, that is 12.5 centimeter. So it is clear that area of the isosceles right triangle, that is 12.5 centimeter. So according to this question, the question is here, an isosceles right triangle has two equal sides of the length is given 5 centimeter. What is its area? So it is clear that now suppose that triangle ABC is an isosceles right triangle at angle B at a right angle, then AB equal to BC, because this triangle is isosceles triangle. So as you know that in the isosceles triangle two sides are equal, there BC is 5 centimeter, then AB is also 5 centimeter. Now we can apply here area of triangle, and we know that area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. So apply the formula of the area of triangle in this question. So area of isosceles triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height, then 1 by 2 base is here BC and height is here AB, then 1 by 2, and value of BC is given 5 centimeter and AB is also given 5 centimeter, then 5 into 5, that is 25 by 2, and 25 by 2 equal to 12.5 centimeter.